car and like get her out that way. Like,
okay, are you, ma'am, are you okay?
I don't know. You want to go on?
You gotta let me do my job here, ma'am?
Okay.
We're the police?
She just threw it out.
Yes, I can see that. No, ma'am, this is not the look.
I'm sorry. No, I know it's not funny.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
I'm
trying to pull her from
can you please let me do my job here? Ma'am, how you doing in there? Can you breathe? Ma'am, okay, I've got you right here. Okay, I'm gonna pull.
I think her skin is stuck.
I need you to stop. Okay? Right here.
I think you want to sound busting. Come on.
Further into the machine. Okay? Great. So all you need to do is that way. Okay? Now great. Now what is your head stuck up?
Here, that you have to be in a
Perfect. Okay?
You need to go out the way you came. You went in. Yes, with your. Cause she went in butt first, so she's got to come out butt first. Yes.
There. Keep coming. Okay, I'm gonna put here we go. Just out like this.
Okay.
Alright, hang on. Lady.
Okay. Keep your foot right there because that's a good posture.
No, okay. I know.
Right where it was. Yes.
Okay, right here. You ready?
Oh my gosh.
Miss, we're trying to help you. Your friend is a bad friend out here. She's not doing a very good job helping. Okay? Now, we just need to open this thing up. It looks like the lid trap is the way. Miss, you doing okay? I'm going to pull out this lid trap here. Look out right here. Okay? All right?
Oh God.
You've got to clean out your dryer a little bit more often. You're spinning. You're spinning. Hang on.
Move your arm, officer, because I can't get a good. Yes.
Okay.
Oh no! Look at her back.
Yes, she's got marks on her back. Okay, good. Okay, all right. Ma'am. Try not moving.
Get me out. It's not funny. It's not.
I need you to back up.
It's not funny. It's a little bit funny though, right? I think it's funny.
Boyfriend, I need you to get her out of here
It's
right now.
definitely funny.
Hey, ma'am, get out of here right now while we do our work. Okay, here's the deal. Miss, I've got you right here, okay? Miss, we're going to get you out of here. Okay? I'm going to start to unscrew